Psychics are never taken seriously, yet everyone becomes amazed when they see a prediction that they have made come true. From the daily horoscopes to the predictions for apocalyptic events, psychics have accurately predicted most of the events. However, they are often ignored when they try to warn other people about the dangers that await them. Dane Rudhyar, a pioneer of modern transpersonal astrology, once said, "Astrology is a language. If you understand this language, the sky speaks to you." After watching today's video, you will come to realize that it might not be a bad idea to start listening to psychics more often. Today, we're going to go over 9 true astrology predictions. Make sure to watch until the end so you see all the true predictions. Number 1. Mark Twain predicted his own death. Samuel Clemens, better known by his pen name Mark Twain, predicted his own death in 1909. Mark was a brilliant American author and humorist. He is best known for his books, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Besides, he was always well known as a psychic. As per Mark, he was born shortly after the Halley Comet was visible in 1835. He predicted that he would die when the comet would be visible in 1910. Which really happened. The official reason for Mark's death was a heart attack. People around Mark were quick to point that he died due to a broken heart. Mark had lost his son in his infancy, and then continued with the loss of his daughter in her teen years, another daughter in her middle life, and finally, the loss of his love and wife, Olivia Langdon Clemens, 6 years before his death. Mark, who had been weary of his life, left this earth at an age of 75 years after the Halley's Comet was again visible on April 21st, 1910. Number 2. Tana Hoy predicted the Oklahoma City bombing. On April 19, 1995, a domestic terrorist truck bombing in Oklahoma City, United States, killed at least 168 people and injured more than 680 others. The bombing occurred when a truck parked with explosive was detonated outside the Alfred P. Murrah Federal Building. The powerful explosion blew off the building's entire north wall and is considered as one of the worst attacks ever on U.S. soil. Nobody saw this coming, except for Tana Hoy. Psychic Tana Hoy had a vision about a terrorist attack that was going to occur in the Oklahoma building, and even reported it to the FBI 4 months before it happened. Just 30 minutes before the bombing, Tana Hoy had also mentioned his prediction on a live radio program. As per Tana Hoy, the attack was going to happen at a federal building and would be worse than the World Trade Center bombing in New York City in 1993. William Thomas Stead predicted the Titanic tragedy. William Thomas Stead was a British newspaper editor who, as a pioneer of investigative journalism, became a controversial figure of the Victorian era. In 1886, Stead wrote a piece of fiction detailing the tragedy of a ship sinking without enough lifeboats. With the editor's notes, this is exactly what might take place and will take place if liners are sent to sea short of boats. His history was published in March of the same year in the Pall Mall Gazette. Furthermore, in 1892, Stead wrote another short story that depicted a different marine disaster. The second story, named From the Old World to the New, follows a rescue mission after a ship hits an iceberg in the Atlantic Ocean. However, these fictions turned out to be a reflection of the sinking of the Titanic in 1912, when the lack of lifeboats resulted in the loss of about 1,500 lives after the ship crashed into an iceberg. But what's even weirder is Stead was a passenger on the Titanic and died in the tragedy. Number 4. Psychic twins predicted the Boston Marathon bombing. Linda Jameson and Terry Jameson, better known as the Psychic Twins, are the most documented psychics in history, with an unraveled track record of over 3,000 accurate world predictions. One of those accurate predictions is the prediction of the Boston Marathon bombing. During the first few months of 2012, Linda and Terry Jameson kept saying that they were seeing a terrorist attack being plotted in Boston. They also mentioned how they were hearing a sound that resembled a cannon being fired off. Just a year later, on April 15, 2013, their predictions came true, as the marathon was attacked with bombs, which caused explosions that resembled the sound of cannons being fired off, since they were made from pressure cookers. The bombing killed 3 spectators and wounded more than 260 other people. Before the Boston Marathon bombing, the twins had also accurately predicted the 9/11 attacks in New York on air on a radio station in 2000, a year before the tragedy. Number 5. Jeane Dixon predicted John F. Kennedy's assassination. Born on January 5, 1904, Jeane Dixon was one of the best-known American self-proclaimed psychics and astrologers of the 20th century. She was also known for her syndicated newspaper astrology column and her best-selling biography. However, she gained fame for a specific prediction she made in 1956. In the May 13, 1956 issue of Parade magazine, she wrote that the 1960 presidential election would be dominated by Labor and won by a Democrat, who would then go on to be assassinated or die in office, though not necessarily in his first term. This man turned out to be John F. Kennedy. President Kennedy was assassinated in Dallas at 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time on Friday, November 22, 1963. Jeane Dixon is known to have made several inaccurate predictions as well, which led to the coining of the phrase the Dixon effect. Number 6. Nostradamus predicted the Great Fire of London. Born in December of 1503, Nostradamus was a French astrologer, physician, and reputed seer. The Great Fire of London was one of the most accurate predictions from Nostradamus. It was the event when fire swept through the central parts of England's city, London. The fire occurred from 2nd Sunday to the 5th Wednesday of September in 1666. The blood of the just will be demanded of London, burnt by the fire in the year 66. The blood of the just will commit a fault at London, burnt through lightning of 23's the 6. The ancient lady will fall from her high place. Several of the same sect will be killed. Now, if you were to interpret 23 the 6 as 66, 20 times 3 plus 6, you can see why it's believed to be a prophecy of the Great Fire of London in 1666. The fire consumed 13,200 houses and 86 parish churches, St. Paul's Cathedral, and most of the buildings of the city's authorities. Number 7. Hindu Rig Veda predicted the Big Bang. Basically, the Big Bang Theory is an effort to explain what happened at the very beginning of our universe. Our universe is thought to have begun as an infinitesimally small, infinitely hot, infinitely dense something, a singularity. People credit Stephen Hawking with coming up with the idea of the Big Bang. However, it was theorized almost 3,000 years earlier in ancient India, but not in the same way we may expect. In the Hindu Rig Veda, it is written that the entire universe is contained in a Brahmanda, a cosmic egg. All of space, matter, and creation exist in this sphere. The universe that we see expanded from a single point, a bindu, and will eventually collapse into the same single point. It is hard to say if the modern theory of the Big Bang drew influence from these ancient texts of the Rig Veda, as the core idea of an expanding and contracting universe is strikingly similar. Number 8. Nostradamus predicted the coming of Adolf Hitler. Nostradamus has been credited with quite a few 20th century predictions, and the rise of Adolf Hitler is often cited as one of them. From the depth of the west of Europe, a young child will be born of poor people. He who by his tongue will seduce a great troop. His fame will increase towards the realm of the east. The predictions of Nostradamus proved to be true when Hitler rose to power in 1933. If we look at the background of Hitler, he was born to poor parents, and his powerful speeches moved many. Furthermore, his alliance with Japan proved that his fame increased towards the east. The prediction of the Second World War and the rise of Hitler is one of the greatest predictions of Nostradamus of all times. Number 9. Jeffrey R. Palmer predicted the world's natural disasters. Jeffrey R. Palmer is an Australian psychic who is known to have several predictions that turned out to be accurate and true. Palmer accurately predicted December 26, 2004 Indian Ocean volcano eruption and ensuing tsunamis off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. Over 230,000 people in 14 countries were killed during these devastating natural disasters. years. Palmer also accurately predicted the discovery that Korea was testing nuclear weapons, but he gained international recognition for predicting the Hurricane Katrina of 2005. The storm took 1,836 lives and is still among the top 5 deadliest hurricanes in the history of the United States. These were the 9 true astrology predictions. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on astrology and much more. Check out this video, 9 Traits of Libra, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.